celebrating a plant-powered Thanksgiving, Green Goodness Edition. Hello, fellow plant-based food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, it's time to embrace the spirit of gratitude and celebration. Today, we're diving into the holiday season with our unique twist, a plant-powered Thanksgiving. We're thrilled to share tips and ideas for a bountiful, compassionate feast. Thanksgiving is a time for family, joy, and of course, delicious food. Let's explore how to create a Thanksgiving spread that's not just good for our taste buds but also for the planet. Segment 1. Plant-based holiday staples. Let's start by reimagining traditional Thanksgiving dishes with a plant-based twist. Hearty plant-based main dish. Consider a savory lentil loaf, stuffed squash, or a flavorful mushroom Wellington as the star of your Thanksgiving table. Vibrant vegetable sides. Roasted Brussels sprouts, maple-glazed carrots, and garlic-infused mashed potatoes are crowd-pleasing, plant-powered sides. Creative stuffing options. Explore delicious stuffing recipes using grains, nuts, and herbs for that perfect Thanksgiving flavor. Segment 2. Desserts that delight. No Thanksgiving is complete without a sweet ending. Let's talk about plant-based desserts that'll make your taste buds dance. Pumpkin pie reinvented. Create a vegan pumpkin pie using coconut or almond milk and a touch of maple syrup for that classic flavor. Decadent chocolate treats. Indulge in rich, plant-based chocolate desserts like avocado chocolate mousse or dairy-free truffles. Fruit-centric sweets. Fresh fruit platters, fruit tarts, or baked apples make for light, refreshing dessert options. Segment 3. Mindful holiday celebrations. Beyond the food, let's infuse our Thanksgiving celebrations with mindfulness and gratitude. Express gratitude. Take a moment before the meal to share what you're grateful for. It sets a beautiful tone for the gathering. Mindful eating. Savor each bite, appreciating the flavors and the effort put into preparing the meal. Connect with nature. Consider a post-meal stroll outdoors or engage in a gratitude practice surrounded by nature. Segment 4. Eco-friendly tips for Thanksgiving. Let's make our Thanksgiving celebrations not just delicious but eco-friendly too. Use reusable tableware. Opt for reusable plates, cups, and cutlery to reduce waste. Mindful leftovers. Plan ahead for leftovers and store them in reusable containers. Get creative with leftovers in your next meals. Compost food scraps. Start a compost bin for food scraps to create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Closing segment. Wishing you a plant-powered Thanksgiving. As we wrap up, I hope these plant-based Thanksgiving tips inspire you to create a feast that's not only delicious but also compassionate and mindful. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who embrace plant-based living, and subscribe for more green goodness inspiration. Questions for our viewers. What are you grateful for? What is your favorite plant-based holiday meal or tradition? Comment and let us know. We want to hear from you. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, may your Thanksgiving be filled with joy, gratitude, and a delicious abundance of plant-based goodness. Contact us for more information and questions regarding plant-based holiday meal planning. Look for our Plant-Based Holidays series with more green goodness. Stay green, stay grateful, and stay tuned for more green goodness, plant-based living.